Hey, what is going on guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a camera comparison video between the Honor View 10 and the OnePlus 5T. So let's see which one comes out on top. Starting off with the purple wildflower here, the OnePlus 5T has captured more of the natural colors, whereas the Honor View 10 is slightly exposed. Also the details are slightly better on the OnePlus 5T. On the second photo, again I found it to be the same as the first photo, and that is better on the OnePlus 5T and not exposed. Looking at the bark here, it looks as though the Honor View 10 has a filter applied, whereas the OnePlus 5T is natural and it looks better of the two here. In this photo, I'm not seeing any big differences other than the wall on the Honor View 10 is slightly warmer. If you pay attention on the left of the SNES Mini here, you can notice a slight haziness across the side. The OnePlus 5T does not suffer from this, and the colors are more accurate of the two. In this photo, the reds look very similar to each other. However, the square on the Honor View 10 is warmer compared to the OnePlus 5T. This was the first attempt at a portrait photo and it just didn't work on the Honor View 10. The OnePlus 5T was better here. On the second portrait photo, the OnePlus 5T did a better job at blurring the background. However, it also blurred a part of the X-Wing figure. Here is the first indoor low light photo, and the OnePlus 5T is clearer here. Now on this photo, I would say the Honor View 10 was better. It captured more of the natural lighting and overall just looks better. Finally, the outdoor low light photos, the OnePlus 5T is trying to make the picture slightly brighter. However, the Honor View 10 does not, and if you look at the white sign, it is sharper. It also has captured the texture of the carpet on the left side better than the OnePlus 5T. Again, you can notice the OnePlus 5T looks warmer, and if you look at the sky, it is noisier than the Honor View 10. And the last photo, I say the Honor View 10 prevails once again. It is less noisy than the OnePlus 5T. Okay, so this is a focus test on the Honor View 10 to see how fast it focuses with the background and the foreground object. This is a focus test recording on the OnePlus 5T to see how fast it focuses with the background and the foreground object. In this comparison, do look out for the speaker icons so you know which device the audio is coming from. This is a 1080p 30 frames per second video recording on the Honor View 10 against the OnePlus 5T. So I'm just going to walk down here and start off by recording these birds or whatever they're called. I don't know exactly. Anyway, let's just move up here. So this has been recorded on a Saturday just after 2 o'clock. Let's get a view of the sky and then a short jog to see how the image stabilization is between the two, and finish off the video here. So this is a 4K 30 frames per second video recording once again on the Honor View 10 against the OnePlus 5T. So this is being recorded on the same day again, which is a Saturday. So I'm just going to do a short jog to see how the stabilization is between the two. Okay, and we have the crew down here. So let's do a zoom on the OnePlus 5T. The Honor View 10 doesn't seem to have it on video recording. So that is the end of this camera comparison video. I honestly thought that the camera on the Honor View 10 would have been better than the OnePlus 5T, but it wasn't. The Honor View 10 was slightly exposed on most of the outdoor photos. There is no video stabilization at all, and it is slow at focusing. The only place the Honor View 10 performed better was in low light photos, and the audio quality in video recording was better. I hope Huawei drop a software update in the future to improve the camera performance and also add EIS for video stabilization. So what did you think of this comparison video? Do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to see other comparisons and the full review of the Honor View 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.